Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today we're going to talk about how I fixed the issue of my ice maker constantly freezing up on my Samsung refrigerator. So before you make any changes to your refrigerator, it's best to verify your warranty. This refrigerator currently is not under warranty, so I'm not really worried about making any changes. I would suggest though, if yours is still under warranty, that you verify that warranty and make sure that nothing we're going to do going forward actually nullifies the warranty. It's good just to be on the safe side. Okay, so our first step is going to be to defrost our ice maker. That's a pretty easy thing to do. What you're going to do is you're going to hold down the freezer and the lighting button, and you'll see that pop up for approximately 8 to 12 seconds. And once it hits, you'll hear that beep. Once it goes to beep, you're going to hit the lighting button, and you're going to go to FD. And then you're going to start hearing it beep, and it's going to beep for about 20 minutes. That means it's defrosting. Now, once it's done beeping and you can actually go in and look at the freezer, you may have to run it again. I have had to do this several times because it doesn't get it fully defrosted. Okay, so now that we've defrosted our ice maker, our next step is to remove the ice tray and remove the wiring harness that allows us to get to the side of the ice maker box. So sometimes you got to give it a little pull, but you can go ahead and get that loose. We'll just pull that out. We'll set that off to the side here. Okay, so now we're going to remove our wiring harness cover. Just a screw right here. Let's go ahead and unscrew. And you're just going to pull this back and just pull it out. It can be a little. Then just go ahead and set that off to the side. All right, so then we're going to look at our little gap here. Okay, as you can see, I've removed the tray and the wiring harness cover. And I just put a flashlight under here. And as you can see, there's just a little gap where the light's coming through. Now, I've already caulked it, so you can probably see the caulk if you look close. But before that, you didn't see anything. The reason I could see, the reason you could still see it is because it is a clear caulk. Like I said, you could use a white caulk. It doesn't really matter. I got some recommendations for what to use, and there's a link down below in the description for the caulk that I used. But like I said, you just want to fill that in, and it goes all the way back to the back of the ice box. And so if you really want to remove the other components, you can. I opted not to, but that is what you want to do, is just run a bead of caulk down there. Okay, so as you can see from the video, the issue is really just a little gap right in there. And all you want to do is you just want to fill that in with a bead of silicone caulk. So I used a ASI 502 high performance 100% RTV silicone. Now I got this off Amazon. It was only $4 or $5. It's designed for very low temperatures and very high temperatures, so it will cure even in those temperatures. And it's also designed for food preparation items, so it can be used in a freezer, in a commercial freezer, or whatever you want to use it in. Like I said, all you're going to do is you're going to take the top off, unscrew the top, and put a bead of caulk right down the side here. And I let mine sit for 24 hours. Again, just follow the instructions on the tube. I think it's 3 to 4 hours is about what it is, but I'm not 100% sure on that. You'd have to check. But it worked pretty well. If you like this video and you want to see others like it, please like and subscribe below. Turn on notifications and get the latest and greatest updates as they come out. Thanks.